Mankind is suffocating the planet. Let's all be like Lou and work towards the 17 Sustainable Development Goals. Lou is a conscious urbanite and committed to a sustainable town where people can afford to live. Lou prefers eating small amounts of high-quality local meat. Lou uses his bicycle and reduces his carbon footprint. Lou decides to use less plastic. Lou buys local organic products which don't contain palm oil. Lou marches for others, argues without violence, and chooses fair trade products. For the 2030 Agenda Goals, Lou chose the collective way. Lou has it all figured out. What about you? Leave no one behind and protect the planet. Together for the Agenda 2030.